this. This is the map of Pakistan, the province of Sindh, Balochistan, the Punjab, KPK, FATA, Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir. So once I check this on and set the order of this land use land cover, now you can see that this land use land cover belongs to the region of Balochistan. Fine. If I want to clip for any particular region, just like for this particular district which is mentioned here, if I want to know its information, go to this identify tool and hit once. Its name is Makran. This belongs to the province of Balochistan. Sorry, the district name is Panjgur. The division name is Makran. Fine. The district name is Panjgur. So for this Panjgur area, firstly I have to eliminate this area from the whole shapefile. And for that, what I have to do is to right click here and select feature. So this way, select feature, then go to geoprocessing and clip tool. Fine. Put this shapefile twice, both in the input feature and the clip feature. The input feature and secondly in this clip feature, and hit this OK button. And this part of the shapefile will be eliminated automatically after the process is completed. Fine, just like this one. Then you can uncheck this part and make this hollow with a reasonable line thickness. What you have to do then, go to search and search for the clip tool to extract the land use land cover for this particular boundary clip which belongs to data management. Fine. Now I want to actually clip this land use land cover only for this region inside this boundary. For that, I have to clip, not this one clip. This clip is only for the feature class, means vector data. For raster data, you have to search clip tool from this list, and the tool which belongs to data management, you have to select this one. Now input raster. This land use land cover belongs to raster type of data. And for this particular boundary, I want to clip this. Check this one and hit OK button. I hope so. Till now, everything is fine. We still have around 7 minutes and 30 seconds from this particular session, and we can comfortably complete our process, the classification of land use land cover. Fine. So this is the clipped part, and I'm going to uncheck this the whole. Now right click and zoom to layer for this particular area. What I have to do is to right click and go to the properties to see that what type of the land cover is available there in this particular region. So going to symbology and unique values. Fine. Okay, this unique values. Now you can see 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 11, right? So these are actually the values. This is the heading. These are the values and these are actually the labels. Now you can change these labels based on the information you have. The class belong to value 1 are actually the is actually water body. Fine, it is water. And accordingly you can change this color from here. Class 2 belongs to trees. Is this so? If I go here and check once, this value 2 belongs to trees. Fine. Okay, we have trees. Then at 5, we have flooded vegetation. No, it's crops. Fine. We have crops. Then what we have at 7, it's built area, the area which is constructed. And 8 belongs to bare ground. Fine. This is bare ground. and 11 belongs to rangeland. Fine. Rangeland. Fine. So this way, now trees are not of this color. Okay, if you hit apply and okay, you can see your classes here, and you can comfortably click to this and mark or set your color for your type of the land cover. Then crops. For the crops, what do? We assign this light green color. Very little or very short, uh, or very little amount of crops we have for the built area for this particular region. The same amount of practice can be followed for the other parts of the world, right? For bare ground, uh, I can choose a bit dark brown color. Now you can see, and rest of is the rangeland. Fine.